screen out to McGee. He's going to make a move. He's going to make a man miss. And he's going to get inside of the 25-yard line. There's a give to Carson to the outside. He gets inside the 10, gets to the corner, and he gets into the end zone for the touchdown. There's the give. Jones going to keep it to the outside, and he is hit immediately. Great job by John Probst. There's a give to Woody to the outside. He tries to outrun the defense, gets to the corner, and he is hit hard right there by Justin Dunn. That brings up a 2nd and 8. There's a fake. Carter's going to keep it. He's out across the 30. He's got some room. He's across the 40. He's at the 50. He's got one man to beat, and he goes down at the 38-yard line. Jones going to keep the ball again, and that time Braxton Lowe was there to clog it up. Jones, and he is hit hard. Another give to Carson. He fights ahead, and second effort gets in the end zone for the touchdown. Carter's going to look back to the left side, throw a little swing route to Carson. He's going to pick up the first down. Excellent play, excellently designed play that time. He's run out of bounds. There's a give to Jimmy Kane. He's going to fight through a tackle and get inside of the 30-yard line. There's another keep by Jones to the outside. And Brett Bowden comes up from the safety position, makes an excellent tackle in the backfield. Jones going to look to pass. Pressured, he rolls to the right. He's going to go down.